it's great. I think it really livens the place up. I think they've got to be reasonable standard. So, you know, somebody just sort of tinkling away on a whistle, feel sorry for them, but it doesn't really entertain the crowd.
The ones that just sit there are okay, but the ones that actually go up to you and beg for money, I don't like that.
And I think, you know, people who actually sort of bring something to the street, put a performance on, the ones I like to watch and stand and give some money to.
I started busking when I was 17. Didn't have a job. Found myself homeless. Started travelling around just busking on the streets. I got a bit annoyed with England. Most of my friends were into heroin and stuff, so you escape it. Most people don't bother with the winter. They'll come back in the summer. That's what you call the summer buskers. If it's a happy, nice day and the sun's shining, they'll come out and give it a risk. But yeah, there's very few of us left that carry on right the way through the winter.
About Buskers in Norwich, they're pretty alright, really. You know, we don't. It's big issue vendors. We don't get no trouble with them, and there is no competition between us.
Well, it's just you're just applying your art, aren't you? It's what you do. It's what you enjoy doing. You know, it's like why does anyone sing on stage? Besides money, of course. But I mean, it's not just money, is it?
It's getting dark to see.
You get sort of the brunt of begging and big issues selling attitude. So for some reason, buskers are considered to be at the same level.
Vocation. There's money in it, but not a lot. I get by with what I earn. Thankfully, I've got the ability to and help. But at the same time, it's more important than the money, just to see people smile a bit and maybe even get the kids dance. You know?
My name's George Lidgley, and I've been busking, well, for 3 days in fact. I started last Wednesday because I couldn't get a job anywhere, so I thought I might as well try and just hit the streets and see how it goes. Some buskers in Norwich don't really emphasise the fact of it getting noticed. I think we need to work with that. You need to do something different and something that stands out. That's why I have the amplifier, to get the music around the streets so people can hear it.
Source of income, isn't it, when times get hard?